So this is a 2003 Toyota Corolla that we were told it didn't start. And yesterday I looked at the starter and it had power going to the starter. Then we fiddled around with the wire and basically snapped it back in. Now let's see what it does. So just starting and then just shutting itself back off. So if you hold the gas floor, will it start today? And then it idles fine? No, and it still isn't idling. So that's what I would describe the problem that we're seeing is that the car isn't idling, not that it won't start.